Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna do a different type of video. I'm gonna do like a after dark nighttime cleaning routine or after supper cleaning routine. I'm not even quite sure how I will title this video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean up all the dishes. We're gonna wash some of the dishes, load the dishwasher, and just kind of clean up my kitchen for the night. And just thought it would be a fun video, something I've never filmed before, and I hope y'all will enjoy it. If you like videos like this, I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. And give me a thumbs up. That really helps out my channel. And don't forget to come back on Friday morning at 8 a.m. for my What's for Dinner. That way you can see how I prepared the food that we made tonight. Anyways, let's get started with this video. Alright, I'm going to give y'all a little overview of the mess that I'm working with. I do try to clean as I go, but even still, it seems like stuff still piles up. So anyways, here's a little overview before we get started with the cleaning.
You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah. Okay, I'm starting out here at the kitchen table. I'm going to start getting the plates. The kids usually put their plates up. Sometimes they don't. On this day, I think everyone put their plate up, just left their cups. And I'm going to get all the food and everything, and I like to bring it over to the little island area, and then I work from there. And on this particular night, I decided that I needed to wash all of my placemats. I don't do this every night. A lot of times I just kind of wipe them down or wipe off the spots. But tonight I decided to go ahead and wash them. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah.
And now I'm just cleaning off the table, and I'm going to show y'all the cleaner I'm using. It's the lilac scented Mrs. Meyer's, and I'm really loving this. My camera would not focus for some reason on that, but I'm really liking the smell of it a lot.
Changing me day by day, got me shedding skin.
And next I'm just going through and I'm going to start putting up the leftovers and throwing away anything I know we're not going to eat. Like for instance, these mashed potatoes. I always when I make the instant mashed potatoes, we never really like those reheated. So anyway, so that's what I'm doing now. Pretty explanatory, self-explanatory. Yeah, that's the word of what I'm doing. But on this night we had pork chops. This was actually filmed a week or two ago, and I'm just now getting around to editing it. I'm very bad about that sometimes, but so I'm just going to start wiping down the counters and things like that. And I try to load up my dishwasher every night, and I like to let it run at night so that the next morning I can empty it and then have, all day to fill it back up. And the majority of my dishes I do put in the dishwasher, but you will see there are a few things that I hand wash. So anyways, like I said, sometimes y'all, I'm not good with the voiceovers.
You lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of town. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom. So I fell down way deep.
And I like to pack my dishwasher as full as I can get it. And I am bad about, I will rinse the dishes really well before I stick them in there because I'm paranoid that they're not going to come clean. Now I'm using the Dawn Power Wash, and I'm going to let my crock pot sit for a little bit, and then I head over here to my cast iron skillet, and I just try to get out as much of the stuff in the bottom as I can before I head over to the sink. And if y'all have any recommendations on how to clean this, just let me know. Lately, all I've been doing is spraying it down with hot water, and then I'll use like a little scrubber to kind of scrub it, not a real harsh scrubber. And then I did read, or did I see it somewhere, that you can use salt as kind of an abrasive, and so you will see in a little bit I put some salt in there, and then I kind of use it to kind of as a paste to kind of help clean it.
What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep.
And then finally, I just dry it off really, really well. And then I'm going to use just some vegetable oil spray on there, and then I get a paper towel and I just kind of rub it in, and I do the front and the back. I guess the inside is what I should say, and the outside I just kind of rub it in. And now I'm back over here scrubbing my crock pot, and I do like this Dawn Power Wash to clean stuff like this. I mean, I know I could have just put hot water in there and probably been okay, but I like this. It seems to work really well. And what I usually do with my crock pot is after I clean it, I will get some of the Barkeeper's Friend and I put in there, and it helps. Sometimes on these white crock pots, there'll be little scratches, and this helps remove it. This was a tip from my mother-in-law. And so this is what I do, and I love Barkeeper's Friend, y'all. This is what I clean my sinks with, and my stainless steel pots, and things like this, casserole dishes, and yeah, it's very versatile.
Let me make a 3D print of you.
And my stove was nasty. I don't know about y'all, but whenever I'm frying things, I always seem to make a mess. So I'm using the Super Clean cleaner. I like this stuff. It was sent to me, and you can buy this at Walmart and different places, and it's really good at getting up grease.
Of you. Nobody told me to settle down.
And now we're back over here to my sink, and I like to use the Clorox bleach spray. I have these little strainers, and they're silicone, but they do get stained up. But if you spray it with the bleach spray, it comes right out. I love the Clorox bleach spray. I use that on my countertops because I have like white countertops, and so certain things will kind of stain it. But if you use the Clorox spray, and if that doesn't work, a magic eraser works good. And I'm getting tongue-tied. And now I like to clean my sinks using the Barkeeper's Friend. I will scrub it down really good and rinse it, and it shines.
Gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. That'd be many nights.
And I love having a clean sink, especially at night, going to bed with this shiny clean sink, so that when you get up in the morning, you don't have to worry about all the dishes. And y'all, I am just a normal person like anyone else. There are plenty of nights that I do skip doing the dishes. And on this day, y'all, I'm just throwing in my little Scrub Daddy or whatever scrubber. I don't know, there's Scrub Mama, Scrub Daddy, Scrub this, Scrub that, whichever one I have. I just put it into the dishwasher, and I was going to let it run with my dishes that night. And now I'm just continuing on to wipe down my counters using that same Mrs. Meyer's lilac spray. And if you're interested in ordering any cleaners from Mrs. Meyer's, I have a link down below where you can order from Grove Collaborative, and you will get a free 5-piece Mrs. Meyer's gift set with your first purchase. And so now I'm over here just sweeping. Sometimes I'll get the cordless vacuum or something out, but today, on this particular day, I decided to sweep. Just old-fashioned, just bring out the broom and sweep. I didn't mop though. I hate mopping, and on this day, it didn't need it. It was okay. Just need to get crumbs up. And once again, I don't do this every night either. I should probably, but I don't. Real life, y'all.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue.
So let me know down below in the comments, do you clean the kitchen every night after you make supper, or do you wait and clean it the next morning? The majority of the time, I do clean mine in the evening. I don't always sweep and everything, but I do try to clean up and put the dishes in the dishwasher, except sometimes on the weekend. On the weekends, I do get lazy because I want to spend that time with my family. But I'm just curious. Let me know. And now I'm getting the dishwasher all ready, and our dishwasher has where you can delay it, and I usually delay it to come on at like 12 or 1 o'clock in the morning because everybody goes and takes their showers, and I don't want the dishwasher running. Okay, here is something that I forget to clean. This is my tripod. This is what I use when I'm doing all my cooking. So I'm touching on it, food splashes on it, and I decided on this day, maybe it's time to clean it. So I did. I got some cleaner and was spraying the rag and wiping this down and getting it clean. I was surprised at how nasty it actually was from dried on food. All right, y'all, got it all cleaned up. I have a few dishes that I'm just letting dry. I've got the sink all shiny and clean and ready for the next day. I even have my curtains shut. I close those every evening. Everything is nice and clean. I hope y'all enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn that bell on so you'll always be notified when I upload new videos. And I appreciate y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day. Thank y'all.